welcome back to my channel. It's me Anjali, and in this video I'm going to be creating this Navratri look. I know this Navratri is not going to be the same, and being a Gujarati it is a bit disheartening watching Navratri events getting cancelled, but I think this year is all about being positive, being patient and to make most of it. Me and my family are celebrating this Navratri virtually through Google Meet and Zoom, and to kind of lift myself up I created this Navratri makeup look. So if you are interested how I created this look, please keep on watching. I have primed my eyelids and then I'm going with this light peach shade from Huda Ruby Obsession eyeshadow palette and kind of setting my eyelids. Now I'm going with a movie eyeshadow shade which is from Wet n Wild palette, Rose and Air, as my transition shade. Next I'm using this pink shade from Huda Ruby Obsession palette and gently blending this all over the crease. Now I'm taking much more darker shade of pink and I'm also going to be blending this all over my crease. So I'm going with this dark brown shade and will place it over my eyelids and then I'm gonna buff it out. Next I'm applying this gorgeous dark purple shimmer shade. It is such a beautiful shade. I just wanted to do something with shimmer, like I'm very in this shimmer mood currently. So I'm using Blue Heaven's Kajal as I wanted my eyelids to be slightly darker. I'm applying Kajal on both upper and lower waterline. Now it's time for mascara, and I'm using Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. So I'm going with the volume side of the mascara, and then we'll go with the length and curl side. Now I'm going with Insight 3-in-1 primer before applying my foundation. I forgot to tell you guys that I did my eyeliner and did put my eyelashes offline. Till the time my primer sets, I'm gonna brush up my eyebrows. For foundation, I'm going with Huda Beauty Faux Filter foundation in the shade Brown Sugar. I'm just taking a pump and I'm gonna mix it with green tea essential oil as my skin is kind of dry right now. Just look at the coverage this foundation gives. I am currently obsessed with this foundation. Now to conceal, I'm going to be using Huda Beauty Concealer in the shade Caramel Core. Sorry, my camera didn't record the contour and the blush part as my camera battery died. So right now I'm applying highlighter from Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Rose Gold. Using the same Ruby palette, I'm gonna be highlighting my inner corners. Now for my lips, I'm using Park Retro Matte Gloss in the shade Roasty. To fix my makeup, I'm using Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer. And yep, this is my final look. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.